Well, hello there and welcome back to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today I'm going to be accomplishing something on my cooking bucket list. I've always wanted to make a soufflé, but I've always been scared to do it. And since today is Soufflé Day, this is the day to make it. I'm collaborating with my friend Anita on OmaFarAway, her channel. She's a great gal, and together we're encouraging you to try making soufflé. For today's video, I'm going to make an unusual soufflé that I saw, an oatmeal soufflé. To start, I need 3 eggs. I have to separate the whites from the yolks, which can sometimes be a little tricky. In a small saucepan, I need a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add a cup of milk and I'm going to bring it to just boiling. You need 3/4 cup of oats that you're going to add. Then I'm going to reduce the heat and stir it regularly. Most of the liquid has been absorbed, so I'm going to turn it off and remove it from the heat. Add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and about 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Mix that in there. Time to add those 3 egg yolks and some cinnamon and a dash of salt. Time to beat those egg whites until stiff peaks form. I'll be mixing in this oatmeal a little bit at a time into that egg white. Ever so gently. I'm going to spoon that in to my ramekins. Sprinkle on a cinnamon sugar blend on top. And now I bake it in a 325-degree oven for about 12 to 20 minutes. I'm nervous. Okay, oh my gosh, they have risen up and they look gorgeous. Okay, just gonna set them here. It's best to start eating it before it fully sinks. Let's go. So soft and fluffy. Extremely light and delicious. Love that cinnamon and those oats. It is amazing. I made a soufflé. Celebrate! Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. And if you want to see more soufflés, check out my hashtag Soufflé Day 2022. And be sure to visit the channel OmaFarAway to see what she does. See you next time. I made a big one too. I was gonna end this video with a soufflé joke, but I'm afraid it'll fall flat.